Hey guys, my name is Nick and welcome to my new YouTube video. Today I want to show you how to play Fall Guys on PC for free. So to get this game for free, you need to install Epic Games Launcher. You can easily download it on their official website, so now I want to show you how to do it. First of all, open any browser and type here Epic Games Launcher download. And on their official website you can easily install it. Just click on download Epic Games Launcher right here, and now just run this file and install it on your PC or laptop. But I have already installed this launcher on my PC, so I can just open it. You also need to sign in or sign up if you haven't an account in this launcher. So after that, click on the search box at the very top and let's type here Fall Guys. Fall Guys, okay. And there is only one game, Fall Guys. Click on it, and on the right side you'll see the get button right here, but on the screen you can see that there is the in-library button, but it's because I already get this game. So click on get and get this game, and after that go to your library. Just click here, and now you can easily install this game. Just click on it. Right here you can change the game save path. You can turn on or turn off auto update, and you can also create shortcut if you want. And after that, click on install, and that's all. So that's how you can easily install this game absolutely for free. Guys, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you a great day. Bye.